Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a makeup and Gele tutorial. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and also comment in the comment section, guys. I love you all so much. So the first thing I did was to draw her brow, and I'm just using a Davis brow pencil to do this. I'm going to draw a thin line underneath her brow and another thin line on top her brow. After that, I'm just going to fill up the brow. I'm going in with this Gele Pro concealer, and I'm just going to conceal underneath her brow with it. I'm going in with 2 tones lighter than that of her skin tone, and I'm concealing underneath her brow with it and also on top her brow with it. You have to make sure that you blend properly so that everything comes out nice. So guys, for eyeshadow, I'm going in with this Jordan Hill palette, and I'm just going to tap this red color on her transition area. I'm also going to apply this brown shade of color from Jordan Hill palette again on her transition area, just so that everything looks really blended and calm and also nice. And then also apply this yellow shade of color on the transition area again. I want everything to be subtle, so that's why I'm doing this. So guys, for her crease area, I'm picking up this Benyen eyeshadow primer, and I'm just going to apply that on her crease areas for her both eyes. This Dominique palette is so beautiful, and I'm just going to apply this silver color on the place that I have primed. I'm just going to apply a silver color from this Dominique palette. I said it in my previous video that if you do not have this palette, you really do not necessarily need to go and buy. You can just make do with the colors that you already have on your own eyeshadow palette right there. And to blend everything in properly, I'm still going to go in with this brown shade of shadow. So guys, at this point, I'm just going to line her eyes just so that her eyes can pop. So guys, for skin prep, I'm going in with this Maron skin prep and also this Saron face primer on her face, so that the makeup can last for a long time and so that everything looks matte on her face. And I'm also going to go in with this Maybelline Fit Me 360. This foundation is so beautiful, like everything was just light on her face. It wasn't heavy at all, and it gave me exactly what I wanted. So I'm just going to apply this on her face and also make sure that I blend everything into her skin properly. And I'm still going to conceal her face with the same LA Girl Pro concealer that I used on her brow. I'm just going to conceal her highlight zones with it and also blend everything into her skin properly. I'm going to go in with this face definer from Face Pop and then just contour her nose with it. After doing that, I'm going to apply powder on her face just so that the makeup can stay matte throughout the event that she wants to attend. So for setting her face today, I'm using this Sasha Buttercup, and I didn't want it to stay on her face for about 5 to 10 minutes this time. I just wanted to see what it would look like once I apply it and then remove it, and it actually came out really nice. So you do not necessarily have to let it stay on your face or that of your model for about 5 to 10 minutes, because as it is, it came out really nice. Seriously guys, it came out nice. Just so that her face can pop, I applied blush. So guys, at this point I'm going to go in with this brown shade of eyebrow definer on her lips, and this is from Million Pauline. I actually bought this for the brow, but then I discovered that each time I use it on brows, it makes the brow look really dirty and not appealing at all. So I decided to start using it for lips, and it actually comes out really beautiful when you use it for lips. So just in case you have any Million Pauline eyebrow definer, you can improvise with it by using it on the lips, but whatever works for you. It works for me very well, so that's why I keep using it most of the time. If I don't have a brown shade of lip stain, I use this Million Pauline. And after that, I went in with a nude shade and also applied highlighter on her nose. And then, so that her face can pop, I applied this Nia illuminating setting spray and also Gele finishing spray. So here we have it guys. So guys, I'm so sorry, like my lighting became so poor at this point when I wanted to start the Gele. I don't know what happened, but then I still had to just merge the videos together. I do hope that you guys understand. I don't know, my lighting just became poor all of a sudden, but then I still just had to post. So for the Gele, the first thing I did was to fold the edges of the Gele. Thereafter, I made pleats. The way you can see me doing this video, I just made pleats, and then I traced the pleats towards her neck area for the right hand side and also for the left hand side. The rule for this Gele tutorial today is 50-50, so you have to make sure that the both hands of the Gele are equal. So I'm just going to pick one hand of the Gele and make pleats like this. So once you're done with one hand of the gele, pick up the other hand of the gele and make pleats like this also. Just repeat the same process. At this point, I'm going to knot the gele at the middle, and I'm knotting it just once. So I'm going to pick up one of the hands of the gele that I knotted at the middle and then form a rose right there. You have to make sure that you secure with pins so that everything does not unravel. So guys, after forming a rose at the middle, I'm going to pick up this hand of the gele also and then form another rose. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope that this tutorial has been helpful. If it has, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also turn on your notification buttons so that each time I post you get notified, like you'll be the first to know. I do hope that this tutorial has been helpful. If you're a new subby, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing. For all subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you all for always supporting me. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.